Bitcoin is going to take stop losses of all buyers. Here's the reason. At this moment, as you can see, price dropped by 6.72%, and it looks that it's not over, and there is a significant chance for BTC to go down below 64 to 60 to liquidate all people who bought BTC inside in this range. In this video, I'll show to you what is my plans on BTC and how we can make money. Let's go. For a start, let's break down a reason why I pointed to you 65 and below area, because as you can see at this moment, it is the biggest liquidation cluster that we have at this moment on the chart. That means why those liquidation are important, because they played out as a magnet, because market makers, they are a whale, they're big fish, and for them to make money, they take money from other people, and that's why they always hunt stop losses. The most important question, how we can take a trade, because if you remember in a previous video, I told you that around VWAP would be the best place to take a trade. You can see how price bounced at exactly a few dollars before this VWAP, and at this moment already dropped 6.72%. That's why if you took a trade, I'm really happy for you, and I wish you to make a lot of money, and I would like to show you where would be my entry exit point at this moment. Before I tell you, push like, subscribe, turn on the bell. Coming back to BTC, if I would take a trade at that VWAP, my entry would be like this at value area high. Stop loss I would set up above 0.5 VWAP deviation, which would be here, 79,784, and first target, of course, simply mathematical, 1 to 3.5 risk reward before this value area high of composite profile, because here it is quite significant support. And second target would be, of course, to take all of the stop losses around 64, 65 area. It is my short scenario. In what cases we can take a new trade on BTC? My friend, the best case would be if price of BTC would retest VWAP. There would be some, especially some volume spike to confirm that we have aggressive buyer, and after that we can go down. Why this area? Because you can see that Bitcoin often, when price make a move, Bitcoin doesn't move like in one way. Something like this, it's really rare. In most cases, what BTC do? BTC consolidate, move a little bit, consolidate, move a little bit. The same here, BTC did a move. It would be really nice if BTC consolidate, retest VWAP, and after that continue the drop. It is the first option. Of course, there are a second option that we can use because there is quite significant chance that there would be no VWAP test. In that case, if BTC create a range for at least 4 and more days, why? Because pay attention, nearly each of this value was 9 days, here 7 days, retested value 15 days. Rarely we had a value which was below, for example, 5 days, something like that. That means we need a range. If range would be at least 4+ days, it would be good confirmation for us to take a trade for continuation of a trend. Again, main target would be to take this low. Some of you would ask me, Yuri, what about long? Is it possible that price would make a move? My friend, everything is possible in this life. That's why you always need to think carefully about every situation. Long, in what cases long would be possible? Remind to you, my friend, you can get access to my top indicators on TradingView: aggregated open interest, aggregated volume, aggregated delta. To do it, it's mega simple. Below this video there would be this link. Also, you can get bonus from exchange that we cooperate, 500 USD. Open this bot and get all details, how you can cooperate with us, how you can get access to such beautiful signals. All info is in description. Coming back to BTC, long would be possible only if price takes this important key level, and there must be a significant volume spike. If there would be no significant volume spike, no, it would be no trade. Price drop, liquidate a lot of volume, start to consolidate, and lower that consolidation we can use as opportunity for long. And the second option, only if price flip above VWAP and consolidate above VWAP, because at any moment significant buyer could start something like that. That's regarding my plans. And few words regarding long-term scenario. As you know, I recorded quite a lot of ideas where I told you that price is still below VWAP, which means we are in a global downward trend. There's still a chance that price of BTC would consolidate, create some last stop loss hunt, last liquidation. After that, final accumulation, and after that only a super cycle for rise. I still do believe into that scenario. That's a reason why at this moment, if there would be some drop, it would be really good for us. And that's a reason why at this moment what I recommend you to do, to push like turn on the bell, because and also subscribe to this channel. You can see this button, because in the future when I will see good ideas, of course I'll share them with you. And right now watch this video regarding VWAP. I did beautiful masterclass where I will show you how to use it and profit with VWAP. Have a nice day.